Electrical hacks can be a total game changer for anyone looking to save some. Join me as I tackle some mind-blowing electrical hacks that I wish I knew sooner. Let's see if I can master them all. Electrical hacks can be a total game changer for anyone looking to save some money, ensure their home is safe, and make their life more efficient. I'm talking about simple tips and tricks that can make a big difference in how you manage electricity in your home. We all face those pesky electrical issues at home that make us wish we knew more about how to handle them. High-energy bills can be super frustrating, especially when you're not sure what's causing them to skyrocket. Safety concerns are another big one. Flickering lights or outlets that don't work can be not just annoying but also a bit scary. And let's be honest, not knowing basic electrical maintenance can make you feel a bit helpless. I've been there too, dealing with unexpected electrical problems that seem to come out of nowhere, like when your lights flicker or your circuit breaker trips frequently. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but understanding a few basic concepts can really help. For instance, knowing how to properly use your power strip can prevent a lot of issues. Common electrical issues can often be traced back to simple mistakes or lack of knowledge. Not using the right kind of light bulbs can increase your energy consumption. Not having a plan for when your power goes out can leave you scrambling. But with a bit of knowledge, you can troubleshoot many common problems. So, let's dive into some actual electrical hacks. First off, using power strips properly can save you from a lot of electrical headaches. Just make sure you're not overloading them with too many devices. LED lighting is another great hack. It's energy efficient and lasts way longer than those old incandescent bulbs. Simple troubleshooting is also a must-know. Like, if your lights aren't turning on, check if the bulb is loose or if the switch is faulty. These might seem like tiny things, but they can save you a lot of hassle. One of the most surprising hacks I've come across is using smart plugs to control your appliances remotely. Imagine being able to turn off your TV or coffee maker from another room. It's not just convenient, but also helps save energy. These smart plugs can really change how you manage your home electricity. They're easy to set up, and you can control them with your phone. Just plug them into your existing outlets, and you can control your devices remotely. Let's talk about some more electrical hacks that can make a difference. For example,
if you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend.
Did you know that you can use a voltage tester to check if your outlets are working properly? Or that you can use a circuit breaker finder to identify which breaker controls which outlet? These tools can be super helpful when you're trying to troubleshoot electrical issues. Another great hack is to use surge protectors to protect your devices from power surges. These surges can damage your electronics and appliances, so it's worth investing in some good quality surge protectors. And if you're planning to do some DIY electrical work, make sure you have the right safety gear, like gloves and safety glasses. Now, let's talk about energy-saving tips. One of the simplest ways to save energy is to turn off lights and devices when you're not using them. You can also use energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs to reduce your energy consumption. And if you're feeling ambitious, you could even consider installing solar panels or investing in a smart thermostat. To wrap things up, these electrical hacks can really make a difference in how safe and efficient your home is. From using power strips and LED lights to simple DIY fixes, there's a lot you can do to improve your electrical setup. If you've got your own electrical hacks or questions, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Also, if you're interested in more home improvement tips, be sure to check out my other videos. Some other electrical hacks you might find useful include using a timer for your lights to make it look like someone's home, installing motion-sensing lights to save energy, using a whole house surge protector to protect all your devices, upgrading your electrical panel to increase safety and efficiency, using energy-efficient ceiling fans to reduce your energy consumption. By implementing these hacks, you can save energy, reduce your bills, and make your home a safer and more efficient place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching!